It's Saturday, and that means football.
What do you want to do today?
I think, aren't we going to Coach Tuniger's game? When was the last time you sat in the grass and picked it? It appears the game is refereed by a man in khakis. Work the touchline. Work the touchline.
Make it a stop. The manager's gonna make some changes here. Change in tactics. Oh!
Golazo! The next
target for 73, dude. He's got pace. He's got vision. He's got power. When do we get him on the national team? That's what I want to know.
Guys, did you see that? The manager just waved at me.
Mates, this kid on the red team just said it's 2-5. We're catching up. They just don't have the motor skills.
All right, here he comes. Coach, a few thoughts after the win.
Hey, how you guys doing today?
So, heading out there, you told us there was a little lack of confidence. How startled are you at the performance that your boys put in?
They put in a great effort today. Both matches, groups, they went in and they got the job done. High energy. Just an overall great day. His work rate, his willingness to learn, willingness to get after the ball and make those runs is crucial. It's crucial to the morale, and so we're really grateful to have him.
Looking forward, where do you see the club going?
I mean, from last week's matches to this week's matches, I've already seen a massive improvement. All right, boys, that's all the time I got. Catch you guys next time.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Guys.
Cheers.
Thank you, guys.
Cheers, mate.
Get the sub-block his head, dude. He wasn't doing anything. Tell me about the pilot G2.
Laundry time with the sustainable, where is it? Drops. Drops has really good ads. It is a beautiful day, so we figured we'd take advantage of that. Everybody is ready to go. We're going to the park, practice flying the drone. Made it to the park, guys. My hair got crazy in the open window car. We got Selim here. John's gonna be flying the drone.
Joysticks.
Huh?